This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Market Wrap for April 3rd, 2007. In the news today, according to the International Council of Shopping Centers and UBS Securities, chain store sales for the week ending March 31st rose 4.9% from the year-ago period. For March, ICSC expected reported sales growth by 4% to 5% as earlier Easter holiday boosts March performance at the expense of April. U.S. pending home sales increased by 0.7%, defying market predictions of a 0.5% decline. The index of pending home sales is considered a leading index because it tracks contract signings, whereas the realtor's existing home sales index tracks closing. Lower home prices and borrowing costs were the reason given for the pickup, boosting the Federal Reserve's view that home sales should be bottoming out with limited collateral damage to the rest of the economy. Stocks in the news. The European Commission confirmed that it has opened an antitrust probe into Apple's iTunes and the way it works with the major music companies to sell songs online. The Commission alleged distribution agreements Apple has signed with the record labels to sell their music on iTunes in EU countries contain tyrannical sales restrictions which violate EU competition rules. General Motors and its joint venture partners reported that their combined sales in China jumped 25% in the first quarter, a boom for the U.S. automaker struggling to revive sales at home. GM is the top seller of autos in China, the world's second biggest and fastest growing vehicle market. Anheuser-Busch, maker of Budweiser beers, announced plans to build a brewery in China's Guangdong province as it doubles distribution of Budweiser in that country's over 5 years. Anheuser-Busch said the move will make Budweiser available to 150 million potential customers. The company also plans to sell its Harbin premium brand to 33 new markets in 2007. Real estate tycoon Sam Zell has bested his billionaire competitors, scoring media conglomerate Tribune after a down-to-the-wire bidding war. But despite the week's announcement of a $8.2 billion buyout, the outlook for the nation's second-largest newspaper publisher remained as uncertain as it did 6 months ago when it began strategic review to boost its lagging stock price. In earnings news, drilling services provider Land Christian announced that its fourth quarter profit more than doubled, lifted by a stronger performance across all its business agreements. Net income surged $6.6 million or 42 cents per share from $34.4 million or 20 cents per share a year ago. Revenue rose 32% to $193.1 million from $146.7 million last year. Analysts expected more modest earnings of 21 cents per share. EV3 Inc., a maker of medical devices that are surgically inserted inside blood vessels, said Tuesday that first quarter sales rose 46%. Sales in the quarter ending April 1st jumped $61.5 million from $42.2 million last year. The result was within the company's guidance range of $59 to $63 million and exceeded average analyst estimate of $60.3 million. Scheduled economic reports for Wednesday include the ISM Service Index for the month of March, factory orders for February, and the Energy Department oil inventories for the week of March 30th. Scheduled earning reports for Wednesday includes Best Buy, Activity Brands, Circuit City, Micron Technology, Sealy Group, Monsanto, and Greenbrier companies. This has been the market wrap for April 3rd, 2007.